as you can see, the vacuum is plugged up. Don't mind that cord because I thought it was plugged up to this cord, but I thought that was the cord. It's plugged up. Look. It will not come on. It will not come on. And this is also plugged up to this, and this light is on. So if I shut this cord off, of course, this light is going to go off. If I shut the cord back on, the light comes back on. So that's how I know it's not this surge protector. It's this vacuum, because it will not come. It will not shut on. Horrible. I want my money back. So I bought this Kenmore vacuum in February of 2023. I have a smaller house, front room small, use the vacuum once or twice a day, and the motor's completely gone. It literally lasted however 6 months, 7 months, maybe 8 months. I mean, it's just gone. So I would not recommend ever buying this vacuum. Plus the filters are over $20, so not worth it. Don't do it.
See that? The hose was cracked in multiple spots. And today I was vacuuming a customer's house, and that just snapped right off. There's no way of fixing it. I don't know why, but this thing blows. Do not buy it.
So I've only had this vacuum cleaner for about 2 months. It's okay, but I was just now vacuuming, and it's plugged up, but just shut off completely and won't turn on. So don't buy.